Hello, welcome again. We are solving engineering services 3 2018 mechanical engineering paper question number 135 is statement 1. There exists a positive pressure difference between the inlet and out and throat of a venturimeter. Statement 2. The coefficient of discharge of a venturimeter accounts for non-uniformity of flow at both inlet and throat. Options are option A, both statement 1 and statement 2 are individually true. And statement 2 is the correct explanation of statement 1. Option B, both statement 1 and statement 2 are individually true, but statement 2 is not the correct explanation of statement 1. Option C, statement 1 is true, but statement 2 is false. Option D, statement 1 is false, but statement 2 is true. So answer is option A, because in venturimeter the velocity increases from inlet to throat and then decreases from throat to exit. Because it is venturi term is related to incompressible fluid, so that happens in venturimeter. So as velocity increases from inlet to throat, so there is a pressure will decrease. So P1 will be more than P2, or we can say there will be positive pressure difference. So statement 1 is correct. That is, there exists a positive pressure difference between inlet and throat of a venturi. That is correct. And statement 2 is about the coefficient of discharge. So that coefficient of discharge takes into account the non-uniformity of flow both at inlet and outlet. So both statements are, this is also true. So both statements are true, but 2 is coefficient of discharge is not related to this pressure difference, because this pressure difference will be there when the flow is uniform. So these two statements are not related to each other. These two statements are not related to each other. So answer is option B. So answer is both statement 1 and statement 2 are individually true, but statement 2 is not the correct explanation of statement 1. So answer is option B, because first statement is valid for uniform as well as non-uniform flow. So answer is, so it is not dependent on B, but second statement is also correct. So answer is option B.